To start, log into your Fidelity account and select the specific 401k you want to manage. From the main menu, click on Investments, and then select Change Investments from the secondary menu. This is where you'll manage how your contributions and existing balance are allocated. It's a good idea to begin with your future contributions so that any new money going into your 401k is directed toward the funds you prefer. To do this, click on Change Investment Elections, then choose Select Funds. A drop-down menu will appear allowing you to select the source you're updating. If there are multiple sources listed, you'll need to repeat the steps for each one. Enter the percentage of your contributions you want allocated to each fund, and once you've set your desired allocations, save the changes. Next, you'll need to adjust the investments already in your portfolio. Navigate back to the Change Investments screen and select Exchange Multiple Investments. From there, click Start Your Rebalance. Just as you did for your future contributions, input the percentage allocation you want for each of the funds. On the Select Your Rebalance option page, choose Rebalance My Account Now one time to immediately apply your changes. If you prefer ongoing adjustments, you can instead choose Rebalance My Account Now and sign me up for automatic rebalance. But be aware that some accounts may charge fees for this feature. After reviewing all of your selections, click Submit to finalize the changes. At this point, both your current investments and your future contributions will reflect the allocation strategy you've chosen. This ensures your 401k portfolio remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance.